Hello friends, greetings from Health Pals. I am Dr. Gaurang Paranjape, Ayurvedic consultant and Sanjeevan Chikitsa specialist. Rather than normal hair growth, hair problems are growing these days. We shall look at the Ayurvedic perspective for the causes of these problems and its treatment as per Ayurveda. Firstly, we will see what are the types of hair problems described in Ayurvedic texts. In Ayurvedic texts, hair problems have been categorized as Khalitya, which means hair fall, Palitya, which means graying of hair, Indralupta, meaning alopecia areata, and Darunaka, meaning dandruff. Now when I say graying of hair, it means premature graying of hair. In Khalitya, there will be gradual and generalized hair loss over the scalp, whereas in Indralupta, there is sudden hair loss in a particular area over the scalp. Now what are the causes for these hair problems? Most of you must be acquainted with the Tridosha theory of Ayurveda, that is Vata, Pitta and Kapha. Vitiation or imbalance of these will lead to one or the other disease in the body. The same holds true for hair problems. For example, vitiation of Vata will make the hair thin, dry and rough. Vitiation of Pitta will cause graying of hair and burning sensation of the scalp, whereas vitiation of Kapha leads to itchy and oily scalp. The common causes for imbalance of these three doshas and their involvement in manifestation of hair problems according to Ayurvedic texts are excessive indulgence of oily and spicy food aggravates Pitta, leading to premature graying of hair. Improper and sedentary lifestyle leads to aggravated Kapha. Repeated stress, anxiety, lack of sleep leads to aggravated Vata. Other environmental factors like overexposure to sunlight, smoke, mist, excessive hot water or cold water, even cold breeze, suppression of natural urges, and avoidance of oil application all cause imbalance in these three doshas and lead to one or the other hair problems. We shall now see what are the various treatment modalities explained in Ayurveda to treat hair problems. First and foremost is avoidance of causative factors like avoiding spicy, oily and salty food, stress, unhealthy lifestyle, head bath with very hot or very cold water, and exposure to environmental factors which I have already mentioned. Follow diet and habits as mentioned in Ayurveda for particular seasons, that is Ritucharya, especially during rainy and autumn seasons. Many people complain of increased hair fall during these two seasons. Ayurveda explains Rasayana and Vayasthapana therapy to prevent and treat premature graying of hair and hair fall. Rasayana therapy includes use of immunomodulator drugs like Ashwagandha, Amla, etc. Murdha Taila, that is application of oil and herbal paste over the scalp, is essential to treat hair problems. This prevents hair fall, baldness and graying of hair and makes the hair long, healthy and deep-rooted. This treatment provides nourishment to the scalp and hair root. Mustard oil, coconut oil, sesame seed oil are generally used for massage over the scalp. A few combinations which can be easily prepared at home for application over the scalp are Yashti Madhu and Amla powder in equal quantity should be mixed with honey and applied over the scalp. Keep this for 2 hours and then wash off with regular water. Another combination which can be used is sesame seed powder and Amla powder should be taken in equal quantity and mixed with sesame seed oil and honey. This paste should be applied over the scalp, kept for 2 hours and then washed off. A third combination which can be tried is Amla powder mixed with hibiscus leaf powder or even hibiscus flower powder should be mixed with water. Apply this paste, keep for 2 hours and then wash off. Nasya, which is one of the Panchakarma procedures, is very helpful to treat hair problems. It is a procedure in which medicated oil or ghee is instilled into the nostrils. Normally, Anu Taila or Yashtimadu Taila is used for hair problems. This procedure has specific methodology and should be done under supervision of a qualified Ayurvedic doctor, or actually should be performed by a qualified Ayurvedic doctor. Hair wash with decoctions made of herbs like henna, bhringraj, jatamamsi, triphala, ritha, shikakai, aloe vera is very helpful to treat hair problems. You can take each drug individually, or you can use a combination of these to prepare a decoction. In some cases, other Panchakarma procedures like Vamana, Virechana, Rakta Mokshana are very useful to balance the three doshas. Now, commonly used oils for massage over the scalp are Kachasan oil, Neelabhringa Amlaki tail, Mahabhringaraj oil, Sahacharadi tail, Chandanadi tail, etc. However, the oil has to be selected based on the patient's condition, because in Ayurveda, personalized approach is required to treat any condition. The following home remedies also give good results to treat the hair conditions. To improve hair texture, mix 1 part of sesame seed oil with 4 parts of fresh bhringraj leaf juice. Boil this and filter, and apply the oil over the scalp as you normally apply any other hair oil. To prevent hair fall, mix 1 part of sesame seed oil with 4 parts of dhatura leaf juice. Boil this and filter, and you can apply this oil over your scalp to prevent hair fall. To prevent premature graying of hair, apply fresh juice of leaves of bilva, that is bay leaf, to the hair and scalp. To promote hair growth, mix equal quantities of amla and neem seed with tulsi leaf and henna leaves. To this, add 10 parts of coconut oil and 2 parts of milk. Boil this in an iron vessel, filter it and use for application over the scalp. To get rid of dandruff, grind khaskhas with milk and apply this paste over the scalp. Keep this for 2 hours and then wash off. You can also grind black sesame seeds with honey, apply this paste, keep for 2 hours and then wash off. These are a few home remedies and medicated oils which I have explained. Hope these help you to get rid of your hair problems. If your hair problems are chronic or persist even after using these methods, I would suggest you to approach a qualified Ayurvedic physician.
So friends, this is in brief about the Ayurvedic perspective of hair care and its treatment according to Ayurveda. If you have any queries, please feel free to contact us. We'll be happy to help you. Thank you.